Hello there. Are you looking to blur your video's background during Microsoft Teams meetings? Look no further. Here is a simple step-by-step tutorial for achieving this effect. Start by searching for AI Webcam Effects on the Chrome Web Store and add the extension to your browser. Once you have downloaded and installed the extension, navigate to Teams web client and create a new meeting. Once your webcam preview has been opened, open the AI Webcam Effects settings and turn on the extension. If you're using the extension for the first time, select the quality profile to ensure that the extension detects you on video much better. To blur the background, select the None option for the background and turn on the Blur feature. Once you have configured everything you wanted, click Join Now button to join the meeting with the blurred background effect. Moreover, with the AI Webcam Effects extension, you can enhance your video with many different backgrounds and beautify yourself. That's it for our simple tutorial. We hope you have a great time using the AI Webcam Effects extension from Microsoft Teams.